Here's a tip for you busy auditors out there. Our e-learning analytics course is self-paced and conveniently separated into sections that can be purchased individually. For example, if you want to skip the introductory sections and jump straight to the hands-on training, you could start at section C, teaching you how to use linear regression. By investing an hour and a half of your time in this section, you will learn how to run linear regression in Microsoft Excel and see its usefulness for increasing the efficiency and effectiveness of your audits, how to interpret the meaning of the statistics produced by Excel for use in your audits, how to check your data for reasonableness and representativeness, and how to make use of a freely available but rarely used Excel add-in known as the Data Analysis Toolpak. Yes, you can perform smarter statistical analytics using freely available tools in Microsoft Excel with no software purchases required. Let us show you how. Prepared and delivered by auditors for auditors, leverage off Dr. Dan's lifetime worth of practical know-how in blending mathematics with audit. Suitable for both internal and external auditors. You can benefit from our special offer allowing you to receive a 20% discount on your first e-learning purchase. For more information, visit our store at auditsmarter.com.au.